Hello guys, so I came here and now I want to show you I think very cool socket which I bought, and here is the invoice. It costs about 35 and 24 US dollars for me. Gather it and you will see what is the whole price. These are 3.5-inch socket sets, and this is the shop I bought it from. This is a flyer. Now I would complete it with a big pleasure, but I don't live in United States, so thumbs up for the seller, and sorry for this. Also I have got this flyer or a journal, very interesting. Dozen of tools can be found here, so I will check it, and if any of them will be interesting for me, I will go to it. Made in USA, so very cool, and thanks again. So guys, now let's move on and see what I have received today. These are Astro Pneumatic impact sockets. These are low profile sockets, and these are a 3.5-inch ones. I'm showing you now a 3/8 drive socket. So let's see what it's in the box. This is the socket set itself, and also we got some paper where it is said the part number of this tool. This is 78314. All the instructions, and very cool that this contains the part numbers of every socket in the set. Here you can see also it shows the rail and the sizes of the sockets. Very cool, very well made, and very good to see such things in the box. So guys, here are the sockets itself. This is from 6 to 19. It is installed on this aluminum blue rail with rubber endings and the holes, so you can easily attach it to the wall. Very free movement of the sockets, which I like very much, and from first look they look and feel very good. So guys, now I will show you that they are marked and laser etched. They are not engraved. I personally like engraved company names and the socket sizes, but for the price I gave for them, I think I cannot go wrong. Now I will show you detail one socket, and it will be a 19mm size socket, and compare it to the regular sockets, and will tell you what are the main positivities of using this tool and why you need and may need this tool. Here you can see this is made by chrome molybdenum, so this is ready to use on the impact guns as well and on the regular ratchets. Sockets are made very well. They are enough metallized, and they have big walls on it. So now let's compare it to my Stanley Workmaster 19mm socket, and also my Garant 19mm wave profile socket. Here they are. To be honest, Stanley is more heavier than this Garant one. Both of them are 19mm, and here you can see that both of them are the same length, and also they are the same in the diameter. So the comparison with this Astro Pneumatic low profile socket now shows us that the Astro is more suitable for tight places and for the places where you have no enough space to wrench anything. Here you can see that the Astro and the Garant in the diameters are the same, but Astro wins when it comes to the length, and it is the half length of regular 38 19mm socket, and it is very cool. If you attach the socket to the ratchet, here you can see you will get the construction, which is enough long in some situations, and you cannot work with it. So that's why I went and bought this Astro Pneumatic low profile socket. Here you can see when I attach it to the ratchet how short it is, the combination of them, and now I am showing you the main difference with the regular 3/8 socket and with this low profile socket. And the story will be the same if we compare it to the Stanley Workmaster US made socket. Now here it is the final result, and the comparison shows that the Astro is also winner in this situation when the case comes to the tighter places and working decisions. So guys, that's why I went to the Astro socket. Here it is the whole comparison of them, and you can see how shallow and short the Astro one is. I had some problems using regular shallow sockets, and that's why I decided to buy it. Also, these sockets have ability that it can be used with the open end or box end wrenches. The shafts are machined so that the regular wrench can grab it, and you can bolt on or unscrew any nuts or bolts with this combination, and I think this is very wisely and good, because you can apply more torque with the regular wrench using when you are using with the sockets, when compared to the only wrench one. And here guys is the bigger brother of it. This is half-inch also socket set, and the story is the same. The rail is the same, and it comes with the flyer or the paper with all the instructions and part numbers. Here you can see the part number of it is 78215, and here we have 15 pieces, and in the 3/8 set we had 14 pieces, and also very cool that no skips are here. So the sizes are exactly from 10 to 24, and I think this is very cool. Also the rail looks and feels very solid to me. I like this type of rails, and here you can see all the sizes and the part numbers of the sockets in this set. The bigger one is the 24mm, and the little is 10mm. I don't know exactly where these sockets are made, but I can imagine that they are from Taiwan. But I'm now honest with you. I love US made and German made tools, but in this case you cannot go wrong with these sets. They almost cost nothing, but the abilities they can give you is superb. So now let's see the details about also 19mm socket. This is my EC Werkzeug, a German-made 90mm regular socket with the magnet insert, and this is Astro Pneumatic, a low-profile 90mm socket. Okay, the walls are bigger in the Astro one because this is labeled as a pneumatic gun socket made by chrome molybdenum and not by chrome vanadium, but on the other situations it is also the half length of the regular socket, so it means it will go to the places you cannot work with the regular socket and the ratchet. Let's now put it to my Gedor half-inch ratchet and see how the construction will look. This is Gedor ratchet with EC Werkzeug regular shallow socket, and can you see the difference when we compare it to the Astro Pneumatic one? Now I will attach it to the Gedor ratchet and you will see the difference. Here it is, and can you see how shallow and short combination we can get here? This is what I call right decision. Every mechanic, I think, must have these low-profile sockets in his or her, mainly his toolbox. So guys, once again, the 381 will work with 17mm range, and this half-inch ones will work with 20mm open end or regular combination range box end. I will show you now, and here it is what the construction looks like. And if you have in your garage some ratcheting wrenches, you can say that you have additional flat ratchet in your toolbox. Here you can see how perfect combination we can get when we are using these low profile sockets. So I'm very impressed with the quality and with the packaging and all the details about these sockets. I recommend them highly to everyone, so you can check, and if you will find good deals as I did, go and buy them. They will save your time and will work in the situations where other sockets will not. And now I will show you what I mean when I am saying that these sockets are better in some situations compared to the regular sockets. So guys, here is the situation where you must torque the camber arm on the chassis, and the torque moment for it is 17 Newton meters, but with the jacked car, if you use normal jack, it is impossible to use torque wrench here because the space is not enough. Now, and I did it with my hand feel. Now if you use the regular 19 mm socket here, you can see that it is impossible to attach the ratchet because it hits the subframe in this situation. So what can you do here? You can get Astro Pneumatic low profile socket, put it on the bolt head, in such type, and then you can grab your 22 mm box end wrench and apply it to this Astro Pneumatic socket. And now I show you the construction you will get, and now you can torque this nut very easy. And I'm saying now that you can afford much more torque with this combination, either if you use a regular box end in or to torque this bolt. So guys, this is why I chose these sockets. Once again, recommend to everyone. Thank you for watching. Please stay tuned and subscribe. Thank you and goodbye.